Hi counselors, welcome to your final segment of your back to school reminders. For this agenda, we just have a few business items. It's your advisement forms, business cards, and your annual agreements. So with your advisement forms, you can see the updates on CTLS for your 8th grade cards. They're going to resemble the cards that you received last year, as well as your updated senior letters. So just be aware that those are on CTLS. You'll also receive your packets of the 8th grade cards at our first meeting that we will all be together. For business cards, again, this is only for eligible counselors. So if you are new to Cobb County, if you changed schools this year, if you have a name change, or if you ran out of cards, you are welcome to order business cards. If your school already orders you business cards, please don't order through us as well. If you're a counselor who serves multiple schools, you are welcome to order a set for each school. We only place an order once a year, so be sure to meet the deadline, which is Tuesday, August the 6th, by the end of the day. So hopefully this gives you plenty of time to place the order. The directions for ordering the business cards are in our OneNote. So you'll see that tab for ordering business cards in there as well. Your annual agreement needs to be sent to Alex in our office by August the 25th. So please, please, please ensure that you have sent us your annual agreement. That doesn't mean that you need to meet with your administration by there and let them know what your program goals are and your plan for this year. This is an updated template. It's very similar to the one from before, but it is updated with the new ASCA updates as well. And finally, please be sure that you have signed off on all 4 of the videos by Friday, August 9th. As a school counselor and a strong professional, you are of course responsible for all of the material that we cover. If you have any questions, feel free, give me a call, shoot me an email. You can always reach out to Alex as well. We want to make sure that you have a great start to the year and a strong year. So reach out to us with any questions. And that is it for this segment of Back to School. Thanks.